Seattle Police with search warrant! Unit A, open the door!
This is the Seattle Police Department with a search warrant. Residents at 1003 7th Avenue, Southeast.
Back up!
Unit A. Listen.
Police, get down! Police, get down! Seattle Police with a search warrant! 5 for stairs, 5 for stairs. Police with a search warrant! Police, let me see your hand! Gun, 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 gun! Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Seattle Police with search warrant! Unit A, open the door!
This is the Seattle Police Department with a search warrant. Residents at 1003 7th Avenue, Southeast. Unit A. Listen to the commands of the officer. This is the Seattle Police Department with a search warrant. Residents at 1003.
Get down! Police, get down! Police with a search warrant! Move! Police, let me see your hand! Gun, 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 gun! Gun, gun, gun! Police!
Do you guys have a hand stand? At the stairs. Okay. I will be hands behind. I need 2 people going up with him. Okay. I'm gonna step out. You guys. Okay. All right.
I'll go with him.
Okay. Audi, let Josh go, please.
Okay.
Okay. You 2, you'll be hands with me. Go ahead and holster up.
Okay.
You're gonna be hands.
Is this our suspect with the gun right here?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Don't move. Keep your hands where you are. We are coming up.
Hands right there.
Ma'am, have your hands up in the air.
No mueves.
We're walking up to help. Keep your hands up in the air. Tell him to keep his hands right where they are.
Oye, señor, deja sus manos ahí. No mueves. Slow and deliberate.
All right, on you.
Okay, ready. Whenever you're ready.
Slow and deliberate. I don't know if that's been clear. That's yours. As slow as you need. That suspect.
Seattle Police, hands in the air.
You got suspect? Yeah, we got 2 guns.
2 guns. Hands in the
Yeah,
air. Hands
you're
in the
doing
air.
good. Just stay right where you're at, okay? I'm bypassing the guns.
Bypassing guns. Guns are on the stairs.